What's up? This is part 2 of Super Subie.
Should have been a Mitsubishi though, but it's okay.
All right, we're gonna throw on the mud flaps tonight, and we're gonna throw in this Cobb air oil separator. Let's get to it.
Full fit, but it's getting there.
That's gnarly, bro. Very nice. Very nice. Yo, Cobb hooked your boy up with a shirt for free. Told him I was a big fan and he hooked me up, so that's awesome. Thanks, Cobb. So my trunk locking mechanism stopped working. And well, I shot the connector and it shot good. I'm getting 12 volts DC and all that, so that's good to go. But this actual locking mechanism itself, whenever I check for continuity on the component, I'm getting all kinds of crazy resistance. So let me see if I can set this down without my freaking phone messing up like it's been doing. So it's looking like we need a new trunk locking mechanism. Only 40 bucks on eBay. Not gonna kill myself over it. So we'll see what happens here in a couple days. Another thing to note, and the reason I know it's the trunk locking mechanism, is because when I hit my keys, it receives the signal to open the trunk, and if the trunk's open, you can hear the relay click. So power's getting to the locking mechanism, it's just fried. So it's time to change it out. Yup, had to pull this out. Look at that. Man, that looks like shit. So we went with the new STI knob. Put this in. Look at that, dude. Everything like that, so that's really good. All right, got the air oil separator in. This was awful. Definitely one of the dumbest installs I've ever done in my freaking life. And it wouldn't go through the other bracket behind the intercooler, so I had to route it a different way. So it's actually under this turbo. The shifter U-joint right here. Let me see. All right, go ahead, Luke.
Do what?
Just move, put it in gear. So just find a gear. Look at that. Yep, now move the shift knob. Oh my goodness, look at that. All right. Old transmission mount coming out. It's actually in pretty good shape, but I mean, why not, man? We're already down here, so do that. And it's time to throw this sucker in. Ladies and gentlemen, look at that. I almost hired a mobile mechanic for this. Look at that. The hard part is knocking out the pin. You just got to put some ass behind it and it'll work. So the installation was awful, but I mean, it's perfect. Look at that. Wow, it's awesome. All right, now that we got the U-joint installed and everything with the shifters put back, it's actually pretty great. So these cross members here are corroded, they're dirty. I'm gonna probably bust some rust on these. We got the Cobb kit that we're gonna put on here. And then, yeah, we're gonna throw it back in the car. New bushings, looks pretty good overall. This looks good. All right, tomorrow we'll give it a ride.